So, you've seen those viral videos claiming Jillian Michaels swears by a new gelatin hack for weight loss. You know, the ones where she says you can shed 50 pounds by eating a weird jelly cube? Yeah, let's hit pause on the hype, because it's time for a reality check. First up, the big red flag. Jillian Michaels herself has flat out said she does not endorse any gelatin supplements. Those videos? They're AI-generated fakes, misusing her face and voice. So if you're seeing her sell Jelly-Lean gummies or Gelatide, it's a scam. But what about the recipe itself? The truth is, the so-called gelatin trick, mixing unflavored gelatin, cranberry juice, hot water, and a dash of apple cider vinegar, isn't new or exclusive to Jillian. It's a common wellness community hack. Gelatin does make you feel fuller, and cranberry juice does bring some antioxidants to the table. But let's be real, this isn't a miracle shortcut to instant abs. Here's how the recipe usually goes. 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, a third cup unsweetened cranberry juice, half a cup of hot, not boiling water, and half a tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar. Mix, chill, and enjoy if you like the taste. But please, skip those sketchy official websites. You can get everything legit at your regular grocery store. Look for brands like Knox or Vital Proteins for gelatin, and 100% cranberry juice from Lakewood or R.W. Knudsen. Bottom line, any ad promising huge results with zero effort, especially one using Jillian's face, is almost definitely a scam. Gelatin can help you feel full, but the rest? Just clever marketing. Stay savvy, and always fact check before you click buy.